Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Tinder subscription on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your phone. Once you are on your settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, which has your name. Then select subscription. Here you will see all active subscription on your phone. Then find Tinder in the list and tap on it. You will see details about your subscription plan, billing date, and options to manage it. Now tap cancel subscription. Follow the prompt to confirm. Your subscription will expire at the end of the current billing cycle, but you will still have access until that date. Finally, check for information. Apple will send an email confirming your cancellation. Make sure you get this email so you know the subscription is successfully cancelled. And that's it. That's how you cancel a subscription of Tinder from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.